Good day, everyone. Welcome to GOS ERP. Today, I'll be taking you through how to set up inventory category under inventory management. Click on inventory management, click on set up, click on inventory category. At the top right corner, the first button is your upload button, and this is used to upload multiple inventory at a time. The next button is to download a template in Excel file. After downloading the template, you populate the inventory information. You then save the file in your documents. Then go to choose file to select the file that you have saved. Then click on upload to upload the inventory information that you have populated. The next button is your add button, and this is used to add a single inventory. You put the name, the code, the type, the costing method, the description, and then click on save. The next button is your delete button. And to delete an inventory that you have saved, click on the checkbox, then go to delete the inventory information. Then the next is to search for an inventory information that you have saved. To search for an inventory, type the name of the inventory that you have saved, and this will automatically pop up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope that you find this tutorial very helpful. See you in our next video.